Hey, welcome. This is Mr. E. Low King showing you his recent comic purchases. The first one is going to be an unboxing from an online purchase here. Got this today. Take the good. Alright. So we have one book. It is the X-Men Hellfire Gala #1. It is the Art Adams variant. Got it for like $20. I like Art Adams art. Sometimes he signs an Art Adams, sometimes he signs an Arthur Adams. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I just bought all his Emma Frost covers. Let's see. And here's another one that he did right here. This is X-Men, The Destiny of X, variant edition #13. He did the Phoenix. Pretty cool. And then we got this one right here, Detective Comics 1056, Taking Me Back. The house also features House of Gotham. It's a Harley Quinn cover. It's kind of neat. And I also picked up Wonder Woman 790. It paid homage to the, I forgot what book it is, where Wonder Woman is stepping on Batman's head. It's paid homage to that. That was kind of neat. And I also got, bear with me, let me find it. It might not be here. Where is it? There it is. I also picked up Immortal Red Sign #4. Right here. Pretty cool covers. Alright, this is, I guess you got all 4 of them here that I got so far. This is #1. This is #2. And #3. And of course, #4 again. I think it's David Nakayama. He did all 4 of these covers. I think he's a cool artist. Okay, then I also got, let's see, I also got this one right here. I'll take out the bag and show you to you. I got this online. Got 2 copies actually. Oops, upside down. This one right here. Dude was selling 2 copies for like 10, or I think it was like 15 or something like that. So I got both because the front and back cover makes one picture. This is the front. Back of it is the bottom of their legs right here. So with 2 copies, you can make one big picture. So I thought that was kind of neat. It's a cool Morgan cover. I like it. Love Morgan's character. Here's Morgan. Morgan. Yeah. Anyway, the coolest thing I recently purchased is I've been watching at my comic shop recently for a while. So finally found information about it. So I figured I'd go ahead and buy it. This is the first platinum thing I ever bought. Basically, it's from 1912. Okay, so in 1912, one of the top burlesque dancers was Molly Williams. So she got together with Max Spiegel, and together they formed a production company. So he basically built a theater for her to in Chicago to do her burlesque show. Then he went around, I think, New York and a couple other places, built some more uh, theaters and whatnot. So basically what happened was this right here. I found out information about it because it took me a while. So I found information about the burlesque show itself. It was real popular back then. So they were like, in one instance, one night, she made like $11,000 in one night, which is a lot back in 1900s. And then 1922, he was in it because he went bankrupt because when he bought the theaters, he basically, instead of tearing it down, he made these stupid deals to where he had to revitalize the original theater, rebuild it, and keep most of the structure there. So he did that instead of knocking down and rebuilding because it would have been a lot cheaper. Anyway, so he went bankrupt. So he was in debt $1 million back in 1922. So then he ended up going to court and then ended up in an asylum. Anyway, long story short, this right here is the Spiegel Splash Volume 1, Number 1. It's the first, booklet that they gave out during the performance to tell you the upcoming performance of the troupe, whatever. It shows the, I'll just show it to you. There you go. Right there. It's from 1912, 1913. Now, take it out. The staples are a little rusty, but the inside of the book is actually pretty neat. Alright. Here's the back of it. Right here. Here's the back of it. Alright. Inside, you'll see right here. It's really fragile. There's the show times and stuff. And then he has basically, information about the people. Yes, sir. Right here it shows some of the people in it. Shows some of the new girls right here. Some of the people involved in the productions. Show some of the other companies right here. Anyway, alright. That's pretty cool. Don't want to look at too much because it's real old. Anyway, it's pretty neat. Like I said, for 1912. The cover's a little bit, not brittle, but tears real easy. So I don't want to take out too much. Anyway, that is my unboxing and my recent purchases. But like I said, this is cool. Don't know nothing about it. First time I've ever seen one. It only cost me like $25. So why not? Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. Have any questions? Want to see anything? Just, comment. Tell me what you want. Anyway, take it easy. Keep collecting.